Oh, hi, it's me and Alge. Hi, it's I Think Algebra. With Professor L. Me and Alge were just dancing to Cardi B. That's her favorite song right there, because I like it like that. So, we was talking about the midpoint formula. Sometimes we want to know the middle point between 2 points. So, we have 2 points on the graph. Say we had 4 and -9. And -12 and -3. We want to know the middle point that's between these 2 points. That song got me going crazy. I'm all crazy. Gotta get my head straight. So we have these 2 points, and we want to know the middle point. So we have a formula, the midpoint formula. Like again, you got to remember these formulas because your professors are not going to give it to you, so you got to find a mechanism, some type of song, something, and remember these formulas. But the midpoint is very simple to remember because it's the average of the points. So it's the average of the x's. It's the average of the y's. So it really doesn't matter what order you put them in, as long as you add them and divide them. Take the average, divide them by 2, because we got 2 points, so we divide it by 2. So we have the x's, so we need an x1, x2, and it doesn't matter which one you make x1, x2, but it has to be the first coordinates, of course. So we need an x1, so remember x1 and y1 goes together in the first set, and x2 and y2 goes together in the second set. So now we need the x's together and the y. So you put the x's together and just take the average of the points. So we ought to find that middle point that's hiding in between. It reminds me of that 3 little monkeys, like 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. So you got 3 monkeys left in the bed, and you want to find who's that middle one, because that's the lucky one, because one on the left's going to fall off and hit his head, and the one on the right going to fall off. And this one right here, that lucky one, is still going to be in the bed. So anyway, so we need x1, x2, y1, y2. So x1 is 4. x2 is -12. y1 is -9. And y2 is -3. So now what I want to do, erase that. I want to do that. I want to erase that. So I want to take the average of the x's. And it doesn't matter what order. It doesn't matter. Just add them. Remember, we add and don't subtract them, because a lot of students sometimes, they like to subtract. Sometimes, I don't know, subtraction, that's the first thing they pick. I don't know why. But you want to add these. Average means you add up the points, add up the numbers, and divide them by the amount that you have. So we have 2 x's, so we're going to divide it by 2. So first we need to add them. 4 plus a -12 over 2. 4 and a -12 is 4, 5, 4, 2, 7, 1, -8. Which is -4. A negative positive divide, you get a -4. So now let's average the y's. Let's see. We got a -9 plus a -3 over 2. -9, and you add a -3, is going to give you a -12. So now we have -12 over 2. -12 over 2, or 2 divided into -12, is going to give me a -6. So the point in between these 2 points, that midway, halfway through, halfway, midway, whatever your professor used, it's just that middle point that's in the middle of these 2, squeezed up in the middle. Let me out. So the point that's squeezed up in the middle is going to be -4 comma, -6. So -4, 6 is that point that's in between 4, -9, -12, -3. And that's how you find the midpoint. Let me see. Alge took a nap. Hi, do you have anything to say? You have anything to say? So that's, I think, algebra. And what we doing? We going bye-bye? We going bye-bye?
How long? You are now paired. Enjoy.
We gonna finish our dance. Let's do our dance. This is the algebra dance. Get it? Algebra dance.